Horror content has always had a dedicated audience. And with this genre exploding, many AI horror channels are earning thousands from their videos. You can create content just like those channels with almost no effort using the right AI tools, making it easier than ever to break into this booming niche. Many viewers now look for cinematic, long-form horror animations that look professional while still being simple and fast to create. This tutorial will show you how to produce studio-quality AI horror animations using accessible tools and a streamlined creative process. You don't need traditional animation skills or expensive software. Everything can be created using modern AI tools that make the workflow smooth and beginner-friendly. Let's begin. Step 1. Generate story ideas. Every great horror animation starts with a strong concept. Using an automated prompting system makes idea generation much faster. Copy the prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. The system will automatically generate multiple horror concepts. From the list, choose the idea with the strongest tension, mystery, or cinematic potential. Step 2. Write the script. The script plays a major role in keeping viewers engaged. Copy the prompt 3 from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Above the prompt, add the story idea you selected earlier. Choose your preferred tone or style. The AI will then generate a complete horror script based on your instructions. Review the script and refine the pacing, clarity, and emotional impact. Step 3. Generate visual image prompts. Now use prompt 4 and paste it into ChatGPT, followed by your story. ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts for every scene in the script. After that, paste prompt 5. This will convert your scene prompts into a clean list of final image prompts ready for AI image generation. Step 4. Generate visual images. Once the final list of image prompts is ready, the next step is converting those prompts into actual scene images. This process can be fully automated using browser extensions and AI image generation tools. Several options are available. Adobe Firefly with AutoFly Automator, Freepik Pikaso with AutoPik, Google ImageFX with ImageFX Automator, Google Whisk with Whisk Automator. For this tutorial, Whisk is used as the example workflow. Begin by installing the Whisk extension from the Chrome Web Store and creating an account. Then return to the image prompt list generated earlier. Paste the entire list into Whisk Automator and start the generation process. The Automator will automatically create images for every prompt, process them, and download the results without requiring manual input. After the automation completes, review the sets and select the strongest images for each scene. Unneeded variations can be removed. Step 5. Animate images. To transform the generated images into cinematic animation, begin by opening the prompt document and copying prompt 6. Paste it into ChatGPT, then add the list of image prompts intended for animation. ChatGPT will automatically generate detailed animation prompts for each scene. Next, open the Chrome Web Store and search for ClingGen. Add the extension to the browser. This tool is designed to work directly with Kling AI, enabling automated animation generation. Launch the ClingGen extension and upload the selected images in the correct sequence. Then paste the animation prompts generated by ChatGPT into the extension. After everything is set, select Start Generate. ClingGen will automatically send each image and its corresponding prompt to Kling AI, render every animated scene, and download the completed video clips without any manual operation. This automation ensures consistent animation quality and significantly speeds up the production process. Step 6. Create the voiceover. Now let's work on the voice. I'll be using 11 Labs for this. Click Text to Speech, then select your voice. Personally, I recommend Callum for the voice. It carries the right tone and atmosphere for this niche. Then go back to your doc or wherever you placed your script. Copy the script, paste it into 11 Labs. Format the script cleanly and click Generate. Within moments, your voiceover is ready. Download it. Step 7. Edit the final video. Any editing software can be used, such as CapCut Desktop. Import the narration, animated clips, and image files. Place the narration on the timeline. Remove unnecessary pauses. Sync visuals with the script. Add transitions like fade in and fade out. Preview the final project and export the full video. Step 8. Finalize the thumbnail. Thumbnails play a major role in determining click-through rate. especially within the horror niche. Start by searching for recent horror videos and identifying thumbnails with strong performance, clear visuals, and compelling design elements. Download a high-performing thumbnail using any thumbnail downloader tool. Upload this reference thumbnail to ChatGPT. The ChatGPT will automatically extract key details such as color palette, subject placement, lighting style, composition, text usage, focal point, and visual hierarchy. After extracting these elements, request a thumbnail-specific image generation prompt based on your horror script. This ensures that the new thumbnail matches both the viewer expectations and the overall theme of the video. Next, open Whisk and use the generated prompt to create the final thumbnail design. This produces a thumbnail optimized for the horror niche in YouTube's recommended style. But look, this process can seem like a lot at first, especially when creating the first few videos. The early projects might take several hours to complete, but over time, everything becomes faster. The second video takes less time, the third even less, and after several uploads, the entire workflow starts to feel automatic. Each step becomes second nature, because real growth doesn't come from one video. It comes from showing up consistently and building a repeatable system that improves with every project. Subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.